Hey guys, it's Pac from Vancouver Dent Pro, and this is one of my favorite glue pull repairs I did recently. This is the quarter panel, and check out that weird squiggly dent. Here's the hatch. It's shoved in pretty good right at the body line. You can see where it's collapsed and a pretty good crown at the bottom. And check out this quarter panel again. It's pretty squiggly right through the body line. So we pull this up by setting these glue tabs and pulling it up proud and tapping it down over and over again. And this is the result of the quarter panel. As you can see, there's no ripples anymore or waves. That's where the main repair was, and that's where the buckle was. It's all blended out and smoothed out with polished hammers. And it was hit really hard here, and it went all the way up the sail panel. But we just went ahead and fixed this area, which that's what we were contracted to fix. Here's the hatch, a natural reflection pan. You can see the body line is super straight. And the flat part's a tiny bit wavy, but the rest of the hatch was pretty much like that. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you next time.